Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, with some great fuel efficiency as well. And coming with running boards down below, you've got a new look inside and out, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, and then you have seating for three. Comfortably, they can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle you have fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, so you can plug something in from there. And then looking into the front, this vehicle does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car or truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assist settings, fuel economy, comm screen, and then you can also go into your maintenance information and stuff like that. Then on the left side you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensor, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above that you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, your hazards, your traction control shut off. Then moving down from your screen you have your media controls and then your climate controls, pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode. So you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right side where you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. And then this button up here, which opens the compartment above your glove box. Then moving down from your climate controls where you have another 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this shelf where you can put your device while it's charging or whatever else you want. Then moving on to your center console area where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is quite spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. Then underneath that you actually have another lockable compartment for even more storage. And before I forget, you do of course have your column shifter with select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. That should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.